this is a tool review. Not exactly a garage tool, but it's a tool review. Yeah, you probably all know by now I like buying yellow tools. So I figured I'd show you this one. I took it out of the box. The box is this long. You'll know why in a minute. I bought a DEWALT, what is it? DCS925 Weed Whacker. It comes like this. It's basically you can break it in half and put it like this. It comes with this, I'll show you. This piece not attached and the handle. And I was going to buy a weed whacker in Canada. They are approximately over 300 bucks Canadian for just a weed whacker. This one came with a weed whacker and a brand new, what's this? A DEWALT DCB204 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. I didn't bring the charger because it's staying at my store, so I can charge batteries over there. But who the hell needs to see a black charger anyway? Reason why I bought it is I'm at the point where I hate little small gas engines. It's always something breaking, smelly, gassy, whatever. I figure, you know what? Weed whacker I'll use in summer. It's a motor and a switch, basically. Battery, switch, motor. The only thing I don't like about it was the price in Canada. Canada, I factored in, it was $300+ for a weed whacker, and plus tax. It was almost 400 bucks. I bought it on Amazon.com for $169 plus tax, $189. Came with a charger and a 4-amp-hour battery. Yeah, I paid roughly a little under 260 Canadian if you add in the exchange. And I'm like, why is it cheaper? Batteries are still expensive in Canada. US batteries are expensive, but I keep getting like, if you get all these sales where batteries are like free with a tool, you're better off buying, especially when you get a free 4-amp-hour battery. It's like $200 battery or whatever it was, $179. You're better off buying the tool and the battery and just flipping the tool for 50 bucks just to get rid of it because it's worth it. So last time I bought an orbital sander, it came with a 4-amp-hour battery too. So yeah, it's a pretty neat design. The only thing I think should have been a little sturdier was this connector here. But other than that, it's a weed whacker. I mean, I can't figure out how to get the little line trimmer off. You got to like turn it backwards and unscrew it. So I got to mess with that. It works good. Can't say much about a weed whacker. It whacks weeds. I mean, I could argue about power, and it's not too heavy. It's got a really nice ergonomical handle. It came in a real long, stupid box that covered in plastic. It's got a safety switch and a pull switch, and there's a cord going through it. There's no big shaft to get broken. There's only one moving part, the motor. So yeah, not bad. So now I can wacky my weed. So that's pretty much it. And you can see this is the, what do you call it, safety, and you can pull the little zoom throttle button. The battery goes on the back. It's got a nice DEWALT logo in there. Here's the ergonomical handle, or if you want to call it ergonomic. This part basically locks in here with the two little what do you call it, pins there on here, see? Little push pins. It's a little bit, like it's got a little wonk to it, but it works. You had the little deflector shield here, you had to screw down with 2 screws. And that, so I mean, I dropped it off the side of my car accidentally. It works. Still works. And basically you start it up by going, whoa, insert the gasoline. There we go. And then listen to it purr. Listen to that kitty. And the other cool part is you can break the shaft in half and not have to worry about it not working, because the shaft literally can be bent in 6 different pieces as long as the wire's not cut. So, you know, not that I've like bent weed eater shafts or anything, but you know, just saying, if you want to like step on your weed eater, and then you can, you know, build a splint for it and have it work. So that's my critique of the DEWALT weed eater. I'll probably tell you later on it whacks weeds perfectly fine. And, you know, a weed eater is a weed eater. Unless it's got like, you know, freaking lights and batteries, and maybe it comes with a, what do you call it, end of the world machete. It might be a little better, but for now, that's fine. So, anybody want a weed whacker? Check on Amazon. They're actually a decent price, especially if you're in Canada. Anyway, that's it for that one.